Okay, this DC adventure is beginning. We are here, and I'm gonna ride the train. I don't want that on. Okay, we are here, and we're going to ride the train to the mall. And then here is like the metro station, or metro center. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not a city girl. I'm a total country girl. So thank goodness I have Spider because I don't know what I'm doing. And look at this freaking machine. What? He knows what he's doing. I hope he knows what he's doing. Oh my God, Shelly, you would be freaking out right now. Here it comes. It's the light at the end of the tunnel. Starbucks downtown DC, and there's a code to get into the bathroom. I'm such a country girl. I'm so out of place. I'm like, how do I get in to wash my hands? Did you see that? So yesterday I was at the original Washington Monument. Yeah, I did. And today I am going to see it right there? The now Washington Monument. So there, look at the sky. It's like red, white, and blue right now. There's that Washington Monument. And right over there is the Rock and White House somewhere behind those bushes. See, boys and girls, that one was built 60 years after the one I showed you yesterday. There's the White House. I'm not sure if we can get any closer though. They're doing a sound check over there. Ice cold from the milk. Look how many names are here. This is crazy. The United States Marine Bugle Corps is about to break it down at the Lincoln Memorial. And I'm gonna watch it. Ooh, look at them. That's so cool. Look at all them uniforms. Ooh, what an entrance I'm getting to the first time being here. got you, Annabelle.
Sunset Parade. They do it in the summertime. They used to do it at the Iwo Jima, but they're working on that, so they're doing it here.
Hey, Peter.
Sunset Parade with some of our Marines.